Hey guys, I was gonna upload a how to draw Darkiplier and Anti-Sam versus Sam, but I couldn't get it to upload, so I'm just gonna be showing you guys the results for my pictures, and I want to hear if you guys can draw something similar to it, fix any mistakes you can see on it, because this is just gonna have to be something quick, because I couldn't get it to work because it was in so many takes. I couldn't edit it because I've just started YouTube. I don't know how to do this kind of stuff yet. I will get advice from someone who does know what they're doing, so hopefully that will help. So I'm just gonna take you guys to go see my two drawings. Hopefully you guys will like them, because if you guys don't like them, then I don't know why you chose to watch this video. Okay, so here we've got Anti-Sam, he's got a knife, and then here we've got regular Sam. This is the colored one, while somewhere in here, hold on. Sorry, hang on just a sec here, you just look at that while I look for it. Ah, here it is. Here's the redraw I did. This is the second one that I made that I didn't color. This is the one I drew in the video for a tutorial. This one's a little more detailed, but it's not quite as good as that one, because eyes are off a little. But anyway, so if you guys can draw something similar, just maybe better than that, then please go ahead, draw it, tell me about it in the comments. So we've got this one, and then we've got Darkiplier over here that I drew. I drew and colored this today on video, but it took too long, so it wouldn't work. And then that's about it. Like I said, this is going to be just a quick little video. I just want to show you guys these drawings because I worked on them and I didn't get to upload the video. So I wanted you guys to see these. So I hope you enjoyed these two drawings. Go ahead, draw something similar to them. And if anyone who watches this can make another video on it, please leave a link down in the comments for me, and I'll go check that out. I'll probably like your video. Just draw something similar to these, and you can even in the video say every mistake I've made. Just remember to like, comment, and sub. So I hope you guys have a good time, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.